In this video, I'm going to show you how to install K-tips that are virtually undetectable, that are texture matched and healthy for your clients. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. First things first, we have to texture match the client's hair. I always start with bulk hair and I make sure to get the perfect texture. So the process begins with picking out the right bundles, and then we have to actually hand make the bonds. So that includes using a heating tool and keratin in order to make the bonds ourselves to density match our clients, and then we cut them up in the right sizes to install. Now I'm going to show you the proper way to install, or how we install in my salon. I always put the bond underneath the hair. It helps to conceal it a little bit more. I do not put the bond straight on the client's scalp or too close to the client's scalp because it can cause a lot of unnecessary tension. Think about when you're getting braids, and typically those first few days you can't move your head and it's super tight. It really should never be like that, no matter the style. And we don't want that with K-tips either. So important thing is to make sure that you heat up the bond completely. That's going to get you the most undetectable look. It's going to allow the keratin to completely melt around the hair and create a really tight bond. My clients are able, with micro K-tips, to go 6 to 7 months without having to remove their bonds. Now, 7 is a stretch. I really don't suggest going past 6, but I have had clients do it. Also, again, just showing you again, and I'll do a up close look to heat up the bond, and you want to make sure that your bonds are short. We see a lot of K-tip stylists installing kind of what I call shoelace bonds, and that ends up, the size of the keratin can make the bond heavier. It can weigh down the hair, and it can cause damage on the client's hair. That's one. Also, a lot of stylists focus on the install, but don't think about what it's going to take to remove the bonds. So as you see, even up close, this bond is really virtually undetectable. And that happens with getting the right size of bond, installing correctly, and getting the perfect texture match. In that instance, you won't be able to tell where the client's hair stops and the K-tips begin. And that's what's most important. So even if you look here, you can't really see where the bonds are. Now, they are K-tips. They're not some magical, invisible install method that you'll never see, but with the right texture match, it will be harder to detect. So that's why I went from, and you can really see it here, from top to bottom, her hair blends. And that's why I went from using pre-tipped hair to only using bulk hair. I don't care if you get your hair from Cambodia, if you get it from Vietnam, if you get it from China, there is no way to manually make or chemically make texture the way it is naturally created. And you see in this video, even though her hair is relaxed and she had no wave pattern, by using waves, we can get a more flawless blend. You see, once it's heat styled, you don't even really see the texture. It just blends in perfectly with her hair. And with wavy extensions or even curly, they hold a curl way more than silky straight extensions. So all that Vietnamese hair, your clients, especially clients that are natural, even relaxed, they're going to hate it because they're going to constantly have to put heat on their hair in order to get their hair to blend with extensions versus just using textured extensions that can blend with your client's hair. And let's be honest, every client's not going to be prepared for super textured, but you can meet them in the middle, and that will actually create a healthy install because they won't have to keep putting heat on their hair to get the perfect blend. And this hair is reusable. We tip the hair in-house. I know a lot of stylists don't like to do that, but we use purely raw hair, so why not reuse it? And here's what my client thought. This is her second install. This is what she thought of our new raw hair.
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
Thank you for coloring. I haven't had it in so long.
It looks so
No, I love
pretty.
it so much.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick walkthrough on how to properly install K-tips and get an amazing blend. It's important to note that by making your own K-tips, you ensure a healthier install for your clients, and also you can extend the longevity. And that's because when density matching the hair, it won't cause the client's hair to yank out from her scalp. It won't overpower her hair or be too heavy. And as it's growing down the hair shaft, it is easier for their hair to hold up and maintain, so they can go longer. Also, you're able to install different different textures to make sure to actually blend with the client's hair flawlessly. Understand, with K-tips, their hair is out and exposed. You not only have to take into account how their hair looks when they first come into you, you have to also understand, as a stylist, most of your clients don't know how to actually do their hair. So you want to install hair that is going to make it easier to maintain because it blends. So even on my K-tip install, I installed hair that's a little bit more textured, just so that I don't have to constantly put heat on my hair. I actually use heatless rollers to wrap my hair up at night, and that just allows me to make sure I'm putting minimal heat on my hair. I still get the look that I'm going for without damage. Also, the products that you use are super important. So if you're a stylist and you're looking to learn how to do K-tips, understand the install method matters, the products you use, how you train your clients to maintain them, and then how you do their hair when they come into you for services. Also, your removal. That ensures an amazing install and a healthy install. If you're looking to learn how to do K-tips, you can actually look in the description down below. I do host sometimes quarterly live K-tip classes. They are hands-on. We have a model in-house. We initially train on a mannequin, then we work on the model, and I make sure everyone is on the same page, that you are informed on not only how to properly install, how to remove, how to texture match, and also what products to use on their hair. So my next class is January 17th. You can actually click down below to sign up. Also, if you are a client, I have tons of clients who fly in from all over to Houston to get me to do their hair. If you're looking for someone who knows what they're doing with K-tips, who also is really locked in on actually maintaining and growing your hair, that's super important. Go ahead and click the link down below. You can sign up for a consultation with me. I offer 3 consultations. One is a free text consultation. You just text us pictures of your hair and the style you want, the length and the pattern, and I will give you an exact quote. The next one is a group session, where it's a Zoom session. I give you all the education behind K-tips, so you can decide if it's for you or not. And then I also go over the different textures and patterns that we have that you can utilize for your install, and you're able to ask questions in a group setting, and that's completely free as well. The next one is going to be a Zoom call that is one-on-one, just you and I can see your hair, we can go over your problem areas, and we can really discuss a course of action for you. I can also pull out bundles so we can get on the same page even before your appointment to make sure we have hair that fully matches what you need. And that one is $100, but it does go towards your appointment if you book within 30 days. So we have tons of options to make sure you're fully informed, and I really love what I do. So I'm really passionate about making sure that my clients are informed about not only what K-tips are, to see if they fit your lifestyle, if they fit your hair goals, if they fit, the current state of your hair, but also for stylists to know the benefits of that and how they can be an amazing stylist for their clients as well. So if you have any questions, comment down below. I really hope this helps, and I hope you have been enjoying your new year. I'll speak to you soon.